Hi fellow explorers. I'm really excited today because the backpack I'm going to tell you about is an adventurous dream. Without further ado, let me immediately share with you my love for this backpack. Lightweight and portable, although it has enough space to accommodate all my necessities. The design ensures that it is lightweight overall, allowing me to feel more free during my adventures. No heaviness weighing me down on my adventures. Waterproof function. This is one of the reasons why I love it. The use of waterproof materials allows me to enjoy adventures without distractions in the face of unexpected weather changes. My belongings are kept safe and dry, which is really considerate. Multifunctional pockets. This is a feature that I really like. The various pockets and compartments allow me to keep my key organized without having to worry about not finding what I need. How convenient! Adjustable for comfort. Both the shoulder straps and back of the backpack can be adjusted to my needs. This means that you will not feel uncomfortable even if you carry it for a long time. It's truly custom designed for the explorer's body. Durable and wear-resistant. After several intense outdoor activities, this backpack has actually maintained quite well without any signs of wear or damage. What a durable warrior!